In this video, I will teach you how to make phone number field mandatory in WooCommerce so that every customer is required to enter their number before placing an order to your website. So the very first thing you need to do is to log into your WordPress website by going to your domain. So all you have to do is to type in your domain.com on your browser. Enter your username and password. But if you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up for WordPress and install WooCommerce in order for you to make a site and enter your own domain. So once inside your dashboard, it'll look like this. All you have to do is scroll down. Then all you have to do once you're on right here is to go to WooCommerce. In here, all you have to do is to click on Checkout. So by default, WooCommerce already has a phone number field, but it might not be required. To fix this, you can use a plugin like Checkout Field Editor for WooCommerce. You can get it from the official WordPress plugin page at wordpress.org/plugins. You can install and activate it to your liking. And after activating the plugins, you can just go to WooCommerce then checkout form, which is right here. Then click on Set Featured Image and click your phone right here. Now, in order for you to make the phone number mandatory in every checkout, all you have to do is to go right here on Document Overview and then go to Checkout Fields right here. Then go find the shipping address. And in here, you will be able to see that phone is optional. So all you have to do is to toggle the required button right here and make sure that it is required. This makes it mandatory for every customer to enter their phone number during their checkout. So once everything is settled, all you have to do is to click on Save right here to save your changes. Then go to your website's checkout page and test it. So that's all there is today. Hope we help.